This is the Tank T4C, and it's one of the many always-on displays. Twist your wrist, you can bring up the current watch face, which is a really cool one because that actually shows you a trajectory simulated, but you move along that path with your overall step count throughout the day. This watch is really, really cool because it incorporates a flashlight, and that's what sets the T4C apart from the T4. See right there? I've got a 5 different level of brightness flashlight integrated directly into the top of the watch, which is exactly where you want it to point when you're going to be out doing stuff. And you also have all of the other basic features that you have in the T4. It's got 5 ATM waterproofing on this one. It's not the dive watch like the T4 that goes 10 ATM, but it has everything else built into it. Swipe down, you get all your different controls, 2 pages of those. You've got your workouts, training plans, records. It does heart rate and blood oxygen, stress and mood, all kinds of different things. You got a running stopwatch, a compass built into this one that's highly accurate, barometric pressure, altitude, all the adventurer stuff you could use. Up, down buttons over here. You can program this bottom button to be whatever you want, like the flashlight. That is so cool. And it is fully waterproof, beautifully built with a nice rubberized band. It is called the Tank T4C. Lots more details in the full review. Check it out.